Listen, your actions right now, they're not just steps, they're declarations. Every move you make is either feeding your strength or feeding your hesitation. And the universe is asking you, which one will you choose? This is about energy raw, untamed, yours. That fire in your gut when you think about what you really want. That's your fuel. But here's the truth. Inspiration alone won't build your future, and responsibility alone will burn you out. You need both. The balance? It's not passive. It's dynamic, like a dancer grounded in discipline, soaring in passion. And those sockets you're being called to plug into, they're portals. Every piece of knowledge, every skill you study, every commitment you honor, they're not chores, they're power sources. The more you engage, the higher your energy rises. And when your energy rises, that's when you break out of the conference room of your comfort zone and step onto the stage of your real life. So here's your mission. Name your strength. What's the one thing you need to own today? Balance the scales. Where are you all dream, no discipline? Or all work, no joy? Plug in. What's one socket, skill, study, responsibility that will elevate you? This isn't just important. It's urgent. Here's the hard truth you already know, but haven't fully accepted. You're stuck in the knowing-doing gap. That vast chasm between what you understand intellectually and what you're actually implementing. All this knowledge you've collected, it's not wisdom until you use it. And that peaceful place you've been camping in, it's become a trap disguised as comfort. Your intuition has been screaming at you in that quiet voice you keep rationalizing away. Those frozen moments when you know exactly what to do, but somehow don't move. That's not lack of knowledge. That's self-sabotage wearing the mask of perfectionism. Soundscape shifts to cracking glass sounds. Your comfort zone has become a control zone. You're over-managing the situation instead of breaking through it. And that communication block you're feeling, it starts with the conversations you're not having with yourself. The brutal honesty you owe your own potential. Today's assignment is simple but not easy. Identify one piece of unused knowledge you're going to activate today. Name the false piece you've been hiding in. Destroy one comfort today. Just one that's been containing you. The version of you that exists beyond this freeze doesn't just know better, they do better. And they're waiting for you to thaw out your potential and step into action. Knowledge unused is potential wasted. Your move. Let's get real. Victim energy is a trap. It's not just low vibe. It's a leak in your power. And the universe is asking you, how much longer will you let it drain you? Because here's the truth. Your joy, your healing, your material success, they all depend on one thing. You claiming your authority. You know this. You feel it. That tug in your chest when you slip into poor me mode. That's your higher self begging you to rise. The people, the opportunities, the career path you desire, they're not attracted to victim. They're magnetized to sovereignty. So today, we're doing a power audit. Where are you still playing victim? In your career, your relationships, your self-talk, that story you keep repeating? Drop it, it's expired. What's the upgrade version of you saying instead? I take responsibility. I choose my energy. I am the creator here. Where is anxiety overpowering your clarity? The contracts you sign, the conversations you avoid, the actions you delay. The universe doesn't reward hesitation. It rewards decisiveness. So speak with intention, move with purpose, and watch how fast the path clears when you own your power. Birds chirping, symbolizing a new dawn. Victim energy is just fear in disguise. But you're so much stronger than that. Time to walk in your truth. Unapologetic ally. Clarity in the cornucopia. You're standing at the crossroads of too many doors, each one glowing with potential, each one whispering, this way to your destiny. But here's the secret. You don't have to panic pick. The universe isn't testing you. It's trusting you. This Narnia feeling, where everything seems surreal, where opportunities blur into fantasy, isn't a trap. It's a training ground. Because yes, you could obsess over which path is perfect. Or you could realize every path leads you home if you walk it with purpose. So let's simplify your clear contract with reality. Stop manifesting maybe. Name your non-negotiable goal, the Johnny, your true north. Then release the how. The universe handles logistics. The abundance paradox. You demand it by embodying it. Confidence plus action. You receive it by allowing it. Patience plus trust. Your action antidote. One decisive move today, no overthinking. One Narnia thought replaced with grounded truth. Example. What if I'm already worthy of the cornucopia? The cornucopia isn't out there. It's in your hands, waiting for you to stop doubting and start holding. Narnia's magic was real, but only for those who stepped through the wardrobe. Your abundance? Same rules. Speak your soul into existence. Your voice is more than sound, it's creation energy. And right now, your throat chakra is whispering, or maybe shouting. Clear me, honor me, use me. Maybe you feel it, that catch in your voice when you don't speak your truth. That tightness when you swallow words instead of sharing them. That subtle sense that your real voice, your soul's language, is waiting to be unlocked. So let's tend to it, gently but with intention. Your throat chakra first aid kit. Herbal allies. Sip warm licorice or chamomile tea. Let it literally melt resistance. Salt therapy. Gargle Himalayan salt water. Then release it, no swallowing old energy. Light code. Sit near a salt lamp as it neutralizes stagnant vibrations. Sacred baths, Epsom salts plus a drop of blue chamomile oil. Say aloud. I release all unsaid words. But here's the magic. This isn't just about clearing. It's about attracting. Every time you cleanse your throat chakra, you're not just healing yourself, you're sending a homing signal to your soul family. The ones who get you. The community that mirrors your highest self. They're waiting, but they can't find you if your voice is muted. So today, do one throat chakra practice. Even 60 seconds of humming counts. Speak one unfiltered truth to yourself or another. Imagine your soul family nodding along. They're already on their way. Your voice is the bridge between you and the love you deserve. Walk across it.